Number 1.
Tayo.
Alviola. Bring the ball by Alviola. Alviola passes Bantugan. Bantugan, Tomera. Goal for 2. Bantugan. Signo.
Bola.
Signo, bring the ball. Signo. Kita ke pasahan. Dipasang di jersey number 15. Dan second salah. Nailugan ni Bantugan. Bantugan dipasang di Dayo. Nailugan ko di Tagamon. Nag-isa si Tongol. Tongol, goal for 2. Tongol. Nakuha ni Lugan. Bantugan, Naginusara. Goal for 2. Bantugan. Score 40-33 in favor of Team 3G. Mr. Guys, bring the ball. Pass by Tagyawon. May lugar. Dito ni Tagugkop. Nakuha ni Alulo. May lugar ni Signo. Nakuha ni Tagugkop. Kuha ni Botes. What a nice pass. May Botes. Good for 2. Tagugkop. Alulo, bring the ball. Pass ni Signo. Jumper. Good for 2. Signo. Botes, bring the ball. Botes, cross cover. Pass ni Mr. Guys, Tumira. Block by Nobong. Ibon, nakuha ni Bantugan. Lagi na. Good for, wala. Rebound ni kuha ni Alulo, what a nice pass. What a nice take by Signo. Goal for 2, Signo. Signo, bring the ball. Pass ni Tagugkop. Foul contest. Foul, jersey number 7, Nobong. Pass ni Bantugan. What a nice block by Tagugkop. 14 second shot clock. Samar, pasa ni Alviola. Nilugan ni Signo. Dominecho. Foul, jersey number 26, Signo. Second personal foul. 14 foul. Signo, Lasso. Go for 1, Signo. Alviola, read the ball. Pasani, last 5 minutes and 14 seconds. Samar, Tomera, wala. Rebound ni Bantugan, go for 2, Bantugan. Tagyawon, read the ball. Tagyawon, read the pasahan. Pasani Signo, crossover, Tomera ng dos. Wala, rebound by Alulo. Nakuha ni Alviola, Dominecho. Wala, rebound by Tagugkop, bring the ball. Nakuha ni Alulo, bring the ball. Dipasa ni Bantugan jumper. Wala, rebound by Signo. Dipasa ni Nases, pasa ni Mr. Guys, wala. Rebound Alulo. Aras by Tagyamon. Alulo, foul. Jersey number 5, Tagyamon. Samar, Tomera ng 3, wala. Rebound ni Signo. Kuha Signo, pasa ni Mr. Guys, go for 2, Mr. Guys. Last 4 minutes and 15 seconds. The last quarter. Signo, 10 second shot clock. Pasa ni Signo, take. Tumira daw, score for 2, Signo, bring the ball. Signo. Pasa ni Tagyamon. Tagyamon, dipasa ni Mr. Guys, tumira ng tres. Wala, di ba ni Bantugan. Bantugan, pasa ni Alviola. Alviola, go for two. Pasa ni Tagyamon. Tagyamon, pasa ni Signo. Signo, wala. Out of bounds. Ball, pasa ni Makine. Quick, Makine, lumusot. Ball. Tagyamon. Bring the ball. Pass by Signo. Mengitan kepesan di Signo. 5 seconds lang. Tumira ng 3. Ball for 2. Signo. Bring the ball. Pass by Alolo. Isamar. Pasa ni Bantugan. Foul. Tugan, last room. Kide, bring the ball, pass by Tagyamon. Tagyamon, mengitan kepesahan. Dipasa ni Makile, dipasa ni Kide, driver. Go for 2, Kide. Alolo, mengitan kepesahan. Pasa ni Signo. Pasa ni Alolo. Pasa ni Signo. 10 seconds shot clock. Alviola. 5 seconds shot clock. By two, produce. Two minutes and 5 seconds. Signo, to the ball. Pasa ni Alolo, nani Alviola. Rebound by Signo. Nani Tagyamon. Pasa ni Buates. Pasa ni Kagokov, wala. Rebound by Bantugan. Pasa ni Alolo. Foul. Jersey number 59, Makile. First room. Number 1, Bantugan. Next room. Tagyamon. Pasa ni Kagukov. Go for 2. Kagukov. Last 1 minute and 15 seconds. Nobo, pasa ni Bantugan na ni Alolo. Di pasa ni Signo. Last 10 seconds shot clock. Out of bounds. Bate, hindi ka kapatahan. Nag-ano ni Signo. Last 15 seconds. Alolo, bring the ball. Foul. Signo. Pasok Kide, tumira ng 3, wala. Rebound by Bantugan. Pasa ni Makile, wala. Rebound by Bruno. Last 26 seconds.
Kau si Dul. Kalian tunggu kurang ba? Tiping ka Dul.
Over 3, Makile. Last 18 seconds. Alolo, bring the ball. Last 15 seconds. Alolo.